On Saturday morning, the militants from Gaza launched tens of thousands of missiles at Israeli towns before scaling a heavily guarded border fence with Israeli and infiltrating a significant portion of Israeli territory. The numerous people were slain and captured as hostage, thereby human territories including the military civilians. As the street fighting continued, it took Israeli troops more than 2 days to regain control. Defense Forces (IDF) declared on Monday that once the combat with Hamas was over, they had regained control of Israeli communities near Gaza, its southern border. The bodies of about 1,500 Hamas fighters have been found inside the Israeli since strike on Saturday, according to IDF spokesman Jonathan Conquest on Tuesday.
Israel has declared war in relation for the assault and began with operations with Iran, which involves attacking engaged Hamas and Islamic Jihad State in Gaza. Israel has been conducting a large-scale strike on Hamas target in Gaza for the sixth day in row, according to the IDF.
Hamas is an Islamist organization with a military wing that came into being in 1987, emerging out of the Muslim Brotherhood, a Sunni Islamist group that was founded in the late 1920s in Egypt. The group, like most Palestinian factions and political parties, insists that Israel is an occupying power and that it is trying to liberate the Palestinian territories. It considers Israel an legitimate state and has called for its downfall. Unlike some other Palestinian factions, Hamas refused to engage with Israel in 1993. It opposed the Oslo Accords, a peace pact between Israel and the Palestine Liberation Organization or PLO that saw the PLO give up armed resistance against Israel in return for promise of independent Palestinian state alongside Israel. The accords also established the Palestinian Authority or PA in the Israel-occupied West Bank. Hamas presents itself as an alternative to the PA, which has recognized Israel and has engaged in multiple field peace initiatives with it. The PA, whose credibility among Palestinians has suffered over the years, is today led by President Mahmoud Abbas. It has over the years claimed many attacks on Israel and has been designated as a terrorist organization by the United States, the European Union, and Israel. Israel accused its archenemy Iran of backing the group. Hamas rules Gaza, the small strip of land bordering Israel and Egypt that has changed hands several times over the past 70 years. The vast majority of its population are descendants of refugees who were either expelled or forced to flee their homes in 1948 in what is now Israel.
We consider that emotion made the readers feel about this article even if they do not know the reason why the Hamas militants, the reason to kill and massacre more civilians. According to this article, there are 1,200 Israeli died and 150 are still in hostages of Hamas militant groups. We can see that this action only done by a terrorist group. By reading the article, we already know that the readers sympathize are in the side of Israel's. Because of heartless action of the Hamas militant groups, they're putting their place in a negative or hard position, same as their fellow Palestinian people, in considering by reading and or watching the article by the audience around the world.
Israel, already bombing intensively in Gaza, is gearing up for a major military operation. they unlike any of the past, warning the world that for Israel after the massacre of citizens by Hamas on Saturday, the rule of changed. Every Hamas member is marked by dead Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said Wednesday of night, repeating the government aggression new vocabulary on Thursday, standing with the U.S. Secretary of State Anthony J. Blinken. He compared the Hamas to the Islamic State and said, Hamas is ISIS, and just as ISIS was crushed, so too will Hamas be crushed. There is no disagreement in the new unity government which must approve the military plans on the need dismantle Hamas to ensure that it can be never treating Israel again, and that those responsible for the killing of more 1,200 Israeli civilians are hunted down, officials say. That a major operation is coming. It's the border. There are massive overt Israel troops and tanks deployed, and the country has called up 160,000 receivers. But there are tactical agreement over how many operations should start, whether it will begin massively with raiding parties, and how best to coordinate Israel's overwhelming strength in land, sea, and especially air power, said Yaakov Admid Dror, a retired Major General who served as National Security Advisor to Mr. Netanyahu in an earlier government and has spoken to government officials. In the invasion of Gaza, a small, densely populated territory of 2.3 million people would be counting Hamas, an Islamist organization that has controlled the enclave for 17 years, know that terrain extensively will operates in complex network of smuggling channel, has hiding weapon and center of the civilian life, and has previous employee in non-combatants as human shield.